Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial explains how to reactivate your Twitter account. Probably you've deactivated your account several times ago. There's a way for you to reactivate your account. So I'll be walking you step by step on how to reactivate your Twitter account. The first step is to click on your Twitter mobile app. Before I proceed, remember to subscribe, like, and don't forget to share this video if this is helpful to you. Now, this is my main account and I'll be logging in the account I deactivated and I want to reactivate. So I will now click on my profile icon there. Then I'll also click on this three dot up here. You see a provision for you to add an existing account. So you click on it. So you will now enter the email number, the phone number, or probably the username of the account you deactivated. So I'll be entering the phone number. So once you enter the phone number, you've entered the phone number, you click on next. Now, you also require to enter the password. Then you click on login. You see a notification that you deactivated your account on March 24, 2023. So you see all the terms and conditions there. So if you want to reactivate it, you click on yes, reactivate. Then you've succeeded in reactivating your account. Remember to subscribe, like, and share if this video is helpful to you. Thank you.